Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just posted that video yesterday, but due to situation out of our control, I want to get the wheels back on this and get it moved. We've got a not too distant fire from us, started around 2 o'clock this afternoon, so just in case, I don't think I'm in any big danger, but I thought silly to let this sit in there, so I've taken the alternator off, so I'm charging the battery up, get the wheels back on, get those guards back on, and get it moved to a safer area, and yeah, just to be on the safe side, and also get some gloves on. So let's go. Yeah, so this is the reason I want to get the car back, throw the battery on. The alternator's not on it right now. So just a few hours ago we had a fire start about 8 miles southeast of us. In actual fact, one of the moderators, Simon, just contacted me on Facebook, said, is this near you? And well, yeah, it is a little bit near, but we're getting used to it every darn year now. So just to be on the safe, so I feel pretty confident because I just missed the giant tanker coming over. Huge blooming thing it is, and apparently they've got a couple of C-130s dumping fire retardant on. They've been very quick on these fires this year, I've noticed that, so that's reassuring. I mean, these guys are getting bit too used to doing this stuff, sadly enough, but no structures have been lost as of yet, and it's about 100 acres, probably a little more than that now, but I'm pretty sure they'll jump on this no problem. But just to be on the safe side, the wife's putting a few bags together, and I'm gonna get the old car's battery back on it, and I'll probably park it in a area over there, my clear space there. Not that I think it'd do much good if the fire got ridiculous, but you never know. Anyway, the joys of living in California, I guess. I never worry about earthquakes, worry about fire more. Luckily enough, about over, probably about there, I'm guessing. Over that way is the air attack base. We've got Grass Valley Airport there with their base there, so we're very fortunate to have those on our doorstep. And behind me, about 15 miles as the crow flies, maybe even less than that, is Beale Air Force Base, where apparently early on they said that, I don't know that they came from there, they may have come from the air attack base, but they had 2 C-130s dropping stuff on them as well. So they really pour the resources in, because I was talking to a Cal Forest guy just the other day, federal forest guy, you know, and he said they're really jumping on them very quick now because they don't want these smaller fires getting out of hand. And I've noticed that they really are rapid at it. And of course, due to the state of the old 6.3, there's no saving that guy if it got close. So definitely looks like it's moved away a little bit from that. See that little area there, it was there before, it seems to be moving that way. I think it's actually my mother-in-law and my father-in-law have been evacuated out of their town, so that's well, they're not in town, they're between here and Colfax, but Colfax has been evacuated. But thankfully it's very calm. I want to get a picture of one of those big super tankers for you, but don't seem to be around at the moment. Okay, so wheels are back on, shields are back on. I'm charging the battery up, and hopefully we won't have to move this guy. It'll take me a second to put the battery on and move it down the bottom of the garden. I'll move in my van, and I'm sure everything will be alright, but I just thought I would give you some idea what we have to put up with every single year in California, and I'm sure some of the other states, Arizona, Oregon, Washington, all that stuff. So anyway, so I will see you in the next video, give you a shop tour, and thanks a lot for watching. All right, take care guys, stay safe.